Remember when every single tech guru and insider told you that the upcoming 2026 Mac Mini was just going to be another lazy, incremental update? If you spent any time scrolling through tech forums or watching late-night hardware predictions over the last year, you definitely remember. The rumor mill was completely convinced that after Apple executed their last major industrial design overhaul, they were essentially done innovating in the desktop space for a while. We all saw the painfully predictable roadmaps. We all heard the uninspired supply chain whispers. Millions of people were collectively getting ready to completely ignore yet another corporate copy-paste press release from Tim Cook. And then, the massive July leaks dropped out of nowhere. Suddenly, every single high-profile tech leaker got caught completely lacking. Spoiler alert, it is definitely the second one. And honestly, once you fully realize what they managed to cram inside this upcoming M5 tiny little box, the entire Windows AI PC market is going to be in an absolute full-blown state of panic. Let us get straight into the unfiltered truth. Uncovering the massive supply chain leak here is the real story behind the headlines, alongside a well-deserved shout-out to the supply chain insiders who accidentally let the cat out of the bag a few months early. Apple is not just lazily slapping a brand new M5 chip into the exact same aluminum enclosure and calling it a day this time around. For the last few months, if you tried to walk into an Apple store or order a high-end Mac Mini online, you would constantly run into frustratingly empty stock and massive shipping delays. Most casual observers literally just assumed it was a standard, boring global memory shortage. But what literally nobody saw coming was the fact that Apple was completely obsessing behind closed doors over re-engineering their entire silicon architecture from the ground up to handle massive, heavy local artificial intelligence workloads. Right now, every single major hardware brand currently manufacturing those chunky, loud, light-emitting AI desktop boxes is sweating bullets. Apple essentially took the raw computational power of a massive enterprise server rack, hit it with an advanced shrink ray, and squeezed it down tightly to stay comfortably inside that iconic, minimalist 5x5-inch footprint. T is honestly so mind-bogglingly dense that you can easily hold an entire personal AI data center right in the palm of one hand. But the true, actual secret sauce required to make this thermal miracle work in 2026 comes down to a radically redesigned graphics processing architecture, the engineering marvel, fusion architecture and thermal dynamics to successfully pull off this monumental generational leap in on-device AI processing without having the machine literally melt your office desk. Apple's hardware engineers had to invent an entirely new fusion architecture. Instead of treating the neural engine as a separate, isolated block of silicon that only activates during specific tasks, they deeply integrated a dedicated neural accelerator directly into every single graphics core across the entire die. This brilliant design choice dynamically shifts the heavy computational lifting away from the main processor, keeps the overall thermal output remarkably low, and leverages that famous, tried-and-true bottom airflow channel to push hot air straight back out and away from the chassis. If you are skeptical and do not believe these claims, just wait for the real-world M5 benchmark and stress test videos to completely flood your social media feeds later this year. It is a massive, unapologetic engineering flex, plain and simple. Apple proves once again why they lead the industry in silicon design. The wait is stretching out into the fall season, but behind the scenes, these tiny machines are officially stockpiling in massive quantities right now. Apple completely ditched their usual predictable spring update window this time around. Instead, they hit us with absolute radio silence while diligently preparing a massive, unstoppable gauntlet of M5 hardware drops for the holiday season. When these units finally hit store shelves, they are going to catch the holiday shopping rush completely by surprise, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. Breaking down the M5 and M5 Pro lineup, let us talk about what is actually powering this incredible machine, because this is the specific part of the leak that genuinely blew my mind. Just like previous generations, Apple is strategically splitting the lineup into two distinct performance lanes. You get the standard highly efficient M5 chip design for the everyday user, student, or casual professional, and you get the completely beefed up, ferocious M5 Pro engineered specifically for heavy creative workloads like 8K video editing, complex 3D rendering, and massive software compilation. The regular M5 chip is rocking heavily upgraded, high-efficiency shader cores alongside a brand new third-generation hardware accelerated ray tracing engine. That is a massive game-changing win if you're trying to casual game, develop indie titles, or run complex 3D modeling software on a compact Mac. However, the M5 Pro tier is where the numbers and performance metrics get completely ridiculous. We are talking about insane unified memory bandwidth hitting a staggering $153 /text GB/S. That is the kind of throughput that eliminates bottlenecks before they even have a chance to form. However, if you want to be practical, you can honestly ignore the raw core counts and memory speeds for just a minute. The only actual specification that truly matters right now in 2026 is the astronomical paradigm-shifting jump in on-device artificial intelligence performance. This brand-new hardware design is an absolute monster, engineered from day one exclusively to run the next generation of Apple Intelligence features completely locally, without needing cloud handshakes. If you are the type of privacy-conscious person who wants to run custom large language models and advanced GPT models directly on your own personal computer, without paying $10 a month for some random cloud subscription and without having your private personal data harvested, tracked, and scraped by massive tech conglomerates, this single upgrade is literally the only excuse you need to justify buying this machine. It gives you absolute data sovereignty right on your desktop, fixing the most embarrassing mistake in desktop history, and now, we can all collectively thank the tech gods. Apple has finally fixed the absolute most embarrassing, widely mocked joke of their entire modern desktop lineup. The brand new base model actually starts at a respectable $512 GB of blazing fast solid-state storage. Yes, you heard that correctly. The absolute scam that was the miserly $256 GB starter tier was quietly discontinued back in May, and it is finally, mercifully dead and buried. For years, we all absolutely hated running out of disk space, constantly cleaning out cache files, and hitting annoying red storage warnings on literally day 2 of owning the old base models. So it is genuinely amazing to see Apple finally face the music, read the room, and permanently fix their biggest hardware flaw. Furthermore, they actually kept the physical design features that we genuinely love about how we interact with these computers every single day. We still get those amazing, easily accessible ports right on the front panel, 2 blazing fast USB-C ports and a dedicated headphone jack right there within arm's reach. No more blindly reaching around in the dark, scratching up the sleek, anodized aluminum back of your nice computer with a rigid cable just trying to plug in a simple flash drive or thumb drive on the backside of the chassis. If you opt for the higher-end Pro model, you keep that ridiculously fast Thunderbolt 5-port architecture, alongside brand new Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 wireless connectivity upgrades. While Apple finally doubled the base storage capacity to $512 GB, they unfortunately used that exact hardware upgrade as a convenient excuse to quietly raise the entry-level price. The previous base M4 model was widely considered a crazy good deal at just $599. But with this new M5 generation, the entry price instantly shoots up to around $699 to $799 minimum depending on regional taxes. Before we all start wildly raging in the comments section below, let us be completely realistic for a second. How often do you actually fully shut down your desktop Mac? Most of us just leave them running in a low-power sleep state 24/7 anyway. And for a compact computer that absolutely crushes dedicated AI PCs costing twice its price, most users will totally be able to deal with tilting a tiny metal box once a month. My final expert opinion is clear: the massive leap in local neural processing, the death of the $256 GB base tier, and the stunning space-saving design make this the most compelling desktop computer upgrade of the decade. So, I have to ask you directly, is having a perfectly tiny 5x5-inch computer packed with crazy on-device AI capabilities and a proper $512 GB base drive genuinely worth dealing with a slightly higher price tag and a bottom-mounted power button? If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.